Pero yun talaga, naghahanap sila ng butas sa ownership nila. Yes.
Sabi sila gagawin nila. Yung nanay ko nakakulong pa. Hitiin pa ba nila? Magdadagdag sila ng kaso?
Dapat ba hindi ko naman sinabi sa'yo?
Alvin, pero mas lahat ng pinagdaanan. Of course, ano tayo mga gusto? Rocket here, rocket there, tayo selling pa. Sila. Pero sa akin na tinutulungan kayo.
Hey, that's why we got into business marketing.
Kapit mo sa mga schoolmates na mahal sa buhay nila.
Oh yeah, I'm proud.
Please. I mean, just kind of.
Hi, Sally.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, our topic
are
we are
you
now.
today?
Yes, today I'm okay. I'm doing great. And then it's very hot in my country
I'm
today.
fine.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Okay.
Today it's very hot in my country. Okay. So today, the last time we have Unit 8A, vocabulary. And now we're going to have the topic about Unit 8B. Okay. Sally, can you hear me? Yan. Yan. Finish na. Ano, di pa agas ako dito? Wala di agas nila. Butang na dito ha. Dirat amin kasi. Tanging water. Okay? So, Sally, look at the photo. What do you think is going to happen? And why do you think that?
I think this man will being murdered
You
because
murder?
this man, like I see the man wearing a red hoodie. I think I see a knife, and he's suspicious.
Yeah, he is suspicious. It's like that he wants to kill someone, right, Sally?
Yeah.
Here. Now, you read the text and answer the questions. Why did most listeners think that the crime was joke? Okay, please read it. And after you answer the question, you can write your answer in the chat box. Okay?
Teacher, I will read it out loud, okay?
Okay, go.
A radio reporter went onto the streets of London yesterday to do a report about crime and ended up burned more than he expected. He stopped a passerby and said that he was doing a story on street crime in the area. The man said there was a lot of crime there. He said that he had seen a muggling
Earlier that day.
earlier that day. The reporters then said there weren't many police officers on the street. The man said he didn't want more police around. Then he left the reporter's phone and ran off. The reporter, sounding upset, said that the man had stolen his phone. However, most listeners thought this was a joke. It was all a joke.
Okay, so that's it. Okay? So what do you think? Why did most listeners think, Sally, that the crime was a joke? Did you have
Because
answer?
the man said like the mugging that
Mhm.
the man said he doesn't want more police around. Then he looked at the reporter's phone and ran off. But he didn't stole it. But the reporter said he stole it. he
Mhm.
stole his phone. And
Okay.
the
So,
most listener think that crime is true.
okay. So the listener think that the crime was, okay. The listener think that
A joke.
was all a joke. Okay, it's not true that the reporter's phone was stolen by the man. Okay, but do you think it's true that the reporter is sounding upset, said that the man had stolen his phone? Is it true? What do you think? What do you think? Is it
I
true
cannot think
or
about it.
is it true or the listeners?
I think it's true. I think it's true.
Hey, me too. I think it's really true. Maybe this man whom the reporters asked is only trying to trick the reporter when in fact he really wants to get or to stole his phone or the reporter's phone. Okay. Okay, now please listen this and complete the words the reporter and the man actually say. Okay, Sally? Sally? Okay, can you hear
Okay,
me? Please
I'm
let
listening. I'm listening.
yes, yes. Wait, Miha,
Yes,
I
I
will
can.
go
I
to the
can. I can.
bathroom. Okay, I will go to the bathroom.
Lesson 8B.
Okay.
Please listen.
Exercise 3.
Hello. I'm doing a report on street crime in the area. There is a lot of crime here. I saw a mugging earlier today. But there aren't many police officers on the streets. I don't want more police around. Hey! He stole my phone.
Teacher? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Okay, it's
Are
Ali
you
here.
here?
Yes, yes, yes. Wait, just okay. Again,
I can't.
Lesson 8B.
I'm not done yet.
Exercise 3.
listen.
Hello. I'm doing a report on street crime in the area. There is a lot of crime here. I saw a mugging earlier today. But there aren't many police officers on the streets. I don't want more police around. Hey! He stole my phone.
Finish.
Okay, so you have your answer number 1. Okay, I'm doing. Okay, 2. There is very good. A lot of time here. I saw a mugging earlier today, but there. What is answer number 4? Okay,
It
what
was
is
art.
okay? There aren't. B is be verb. Okay, is are be verb, and not of course negative. Okay, this one. Okay, very good. Don't want. And this one, he stole my phone. Okay, so I believe now, Sally, that uh the man actually has the plan to steal the phone. Do you believe that too?
Yeah, I do.
Yes, okay. So sorry. Listen again to find the parts of the text where they are reported. Okay? Please try to underline only. The example, this is number 1. Okay, let us have this. Let's skip this one. Okay, so we have here reported speech. So reported speech, Sally, it means you have to report speech. It is from direct speech to reported speech. Means, so when you tell me, Sally, your mom said, okay, she said she was feeling upset. That's already reported speech. Okay, so I report, I tell you that your mom was feeling upset. That's reported. Okay, so in the present direct speech, these are the direct speech, reported speech. From present simple, it becomes past. Always remember, when you try to convert the reported speech, it becomes past simple. Okay, next is, okay, past continuous. Next is past simple, past perfect for the reported speech. Okay, look at this one. Okay. Pronouns and possessive adjective usually change in reported speech, depending on the speaker and context. Example, you're sitting at my table, he said. Okay. So, he said we were sitting at his table. So, pronouns and possessive adjective usually change in reported speech, depending on the speaker's context. He said we were sitting at his table. Okay, look at this. So, reference to time and place can change as well. So, when you say yesterday, in the reported speech, it becomes the day before. Tonight, in the reported speech, that night. A week ago, in the reported speech, it becomes a week earlier. Here, in the reported speech, it becomes there. Last Monday, in the reported speech, it becomes the Monday before. And this month, that month, now, at the moment. Okay, so now is direct speech and the reported speech at that moment. So this one, Sally, the one in the right, these are the references to time that will change when we use reported speech. Do you understand, Sally?
I understand.
Very good. I know you are you are so smart, girl. Okay. Please try to change or rewrite the quotation in reported speech. Okay. I want you can write here so teacher can see how did you write it, okay? Da, 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 da.
Total. Ano sa pagiging manager, sanang makinig ko.
Maging discuss more.
Ay, palit-palit pera ko, pero sabi nga ni Bingo, di ba, mas okay yung katawan.
I'm sure about that.
I think that's a good idea. Kagabi. Judge. Of course, alam mo, dahil, ano yung burden mag-isa? Ano kung mapapakas? Okay. There's a law for there's no partner pala kayo slash jowa. Jowa slash business partner. Para na rin kasi yan sa no, babe. Ano. Kung nag-invest sa business, actually, at the same time, tingin ko naman, lahat din yan. Kasi there is the business no? That has reached.
Welcome to the business. Hi, Kyle.
Ay, tayo. Tama. The Okay. Ah, ah, eh, eh, tama. Wala, umalis. Kasama si Mochi. Hindi ko naman napigilan. O, yun sa ano hindi ko working of shares. More creative partnership. I get that part. Partner. Passion. And a mama. Just like Caroline, not interested. Action. Ay. Eh, ibo ko ba? Dapat sa parents ko. Ay. Balik na pagtuloy namin sa tuloy.
Vâng. Dạ vâng ạ.
I try to regain back.
Không phải. Vâng.
My answer is no.
Vâng, em nhớ về dạ. Vâng.
What the hell's happening?
Sa tanway ko, pumayag sila, tulungan tayo. Please.
Dạ. Vâng.
Caroline, this marriage strengthens the bond between families, not only with the businesses, but
Vâng.
also the businesses.
Vâng. Có em.
How would you want? Nakulong na yung pumatay sa nanay. Nagpalsa siya.
Vâng.
Not even
Nhớ
sure.
được rồi.
Hindi ba
Ano đá.
Di ba mga sa'yo? Even the feelings, every
Dạ, đấy. Vâng ạ.
Arranged marriages are successful.
Đấy, đơn
said no.
giản cho các bạn nữa.
It,
Vâng. Qua đây.
family,
Nam. Vâng.
that's
Vâng. 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 Đồng ý với nhận. Vâng. Vâng.
Tingnan ako anong gusto niyo. But my heart is not for sale.
diba?
Pinayagan siya mag-post ng mail. Ano sa iyo?
Okay, boss. Ano lang na.
Vâng.
Jag förstår inte riktigt. Varför skulle samerna döda sina egna renar? Döda dem.
Các đơn vị liên quan này. Các đơn vị liên quan, các đơn vị ở địa phương liên quan là trong
Na 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 na. Okay, okay.
dạ này.
Đây. Đây. À,
Mà bố con như ngoài.
Đừng có phát lỗi.
okay. Nearly number 7. It's okay. Tuloy sa'yo ng mga ero ah. Eh. Ay, may kanok yan. Dili, bi. Ay, magkanato. Ang tubig naman. Huwag na gusto. Dapil. Okay, finish, Sally?
I'm done. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, done?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, so number 2. Okay. She said the woman were burgling the house next door. His teenagers often vandalize what's this? His shop. Okay, this is correct. She said she found the money 2 days ago. Okay, 2 days earlier. Okay, so another term for 2 days ago, 2 days earlier. Don't forget the period. Okay, Sally, most of your sentences doesn't have period. Please don't forget to write period. It's very important, Sally. Period, 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 period. Okay, that's very important. Next, for launching an investigation into drug dealing in the town center, said the police. The police said they're launching an investigation into drug dealing in the town. Let me see. Okay, correct. The police arrested 2 subjects last Friday, said the teacher. Teacher said the police arrested 2 suspects the day before. Okay. Oh, this is correct. Okay, Friday before. Crime is getting worse in my opinion, he said. He said the crime is getting worse in his opinion. Correct. Very good. Muggers often attack tourists, she said. She said muggers often attack tourists. Okay, very good. Yay. So at least there are only few are mistakes. Mostly are correct. You understand, Sally? Okay. So
I
here.
understand.
Yeah, very good. You understand. Okay, always remember, you use the past tense when you try to convert direct speech to past tense. I mean to reported speech. Match the reported speech 1 to 5 in the text with the direct speech below. Example. Okay, number 4. Okay. So where is it? I didn't hear. Oh, wait, Sally. Okay, okay, it's here. We have 1, wait, with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only. Where's number 1 here? Oh, it's here 1. Okay, please match. Pilihan, ang sa number, ano yung cellphone? Ha? Kani yung cellphone? Kani yung cellphone? Kani yung cellphone? Yung cellphone? Karon? Off na yung music card. Off na mo? Ibo, kinanglan makaibo ko sa music card. Uy, tawagan ka ni emergency. Di ko katawag ni mo, be. Di. Naman imong number, be. Di na pwede dahil kaya kauso na baro kidnap, Jillian. Di na pwede ko pa, magsige pa kung pangutanan ni mo, imo na kaubay mo cellphone. Uso ro kidnap na. Di ka bang blag-lag ro kay uso ro kidnap, mga batan ang pang kidnap. 0985. Ha? 0985. Sunod. 82. 89. 775. I-on ko na, be, kang tawagan, be.
Mag-reload at mag-register sa promo para tuloy-tuloy ang kwentuhan. Di pa muna makapag-load sa ngayon, merong load promos na pwedeng i-enjoy. Dial *1.
Finish.
Okay, number 1. Okay, wait, Miss Sally, ha? Just a minute. Okay, so we have here. So number 1. Okay, number 3. Let me see 2 and 1. Very good. And this number 5. Wow, correct. These are the reported speech in the text with the direct speech below. So these are the direct speech and these are the reported speech. So when you say, I've been here for 4 hours, in number 1, okay, the man told Mr. Holmes that he had been there for 4 hours. Okay, yeah, that's correct. I cannot move. So where is it? He said he couldn't move. Okay, look at that. Couldn't, because this past tense. Here it's present, it becomes couldn't past tense. 3. I won't help you because you tried to burgle my house. 3. Where's number 3? Miss Holmes told the man that she wouldn't. Okay, so this one will not, but here wouldn't help him because he had tried to burgle her house. Okay, next one. Okay, number 4, you can stay where you are. Okay, it means she said to the man that he could stay where he was. Okay, and 5, I will call the police. That she would call the police. Okay, that's number 5. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, let us have
Okay.
this. Okay. You read the direct speech and write reported speech. Okay, this is 3 only. Okay, remember to change the pronoun and the time phrases like this. I cannot find my wallet, Ben said. Ben said that he could not find his wallet because past tense, present tense, it becomes past tense here. See,
Finish.
one. Okay. Okay, Kathy said that she has never been jet skiing. Okay, correct. I'll watch the documentary with you tonight, said Liam. Liam said that he will. Are you sure that he will? He would. He would watch. Sally, he will. This is present. Okay, he would, because as what I said, past tense. Okay, this one. This one is wrong. We cannot use can. Okay? Wouldn't. Sally, please don't forget. Always remember in reported speech, you have to take note, Sally, that it will always be past tense. Do you understand, Sally?
Okay.
Yes, always remember that. You have to use past tense of the verb always. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Sally, for tonight.
Okay. I thank you too.
Okay,
Thank
bye-bye,
you for your
Sally.
time.
Yes,
Bye
bye,
bye.
Sally. Yes, see
Bye.
you.
Have a good day.
Yes.